Hello class 9, it is my third revision video for lesson 1 of economics, the story of village Palampur. In my second video, it was told to you that in India, the Green Revolution came in the late 1960s and it minimizes the problem of food scarcity of India. It brought various sudden changes or a type of revolution in agriculture. So, when the Green Revolution started in the late 1960s in India, it brought a type of change, a type of revolution in Indian agriculture, and it brought various methods of which is known as the modern method of farming in India. First of all, I will discuss to you that what is the modern method of farming. Modern method of farming is related with the farming where the farmers were or are using such type of important agricultural tools. Good facility of irrigation was also used, and HYB seeds and chemical fertilizers. So when such type of things were or methods were used in agriculture, it is known as the modern method of farming. So let me discuss about the modern method of farming. In the modern method of farming, now the ploughing is based on the tractor. After that, you may see that when the ploughing was based on tractor and when the agriculture was mainly based on machine, then what happened? The agriculture was less time consuming and it gave better production in the agriculture. After that, see the third very important point. Now, in the place of traditional seed in the modern method of farming, there was the use of or there's the use of HYB seeds. HYB means high yielding variety of seeds. It was a type of seeds which gave good result in less time in agriculture. And after that, you may see that in the modern method of farming, for the soil fertility, there was the use of chemical fertilizers. When the chemical fertilizer was used in the agriculture, it brought good result in the crop production. After that, very well, you may see that now the chemical pesticides are also used in the modern method of farming, and no doubt it protected the crop or agricultural crop from the insects. And the next one, you may see that in the modern method of farming, the farmers are able to use the electric tube well, and it brought a type of change, a positive change in the terms of irrigation. And when the problem of irrigation was solved due to the electric tube well, it gave good result in the irrigation or good result in the agricultural production. So you may see that which I have written on this whiteboard, that the modern method of farming brought various good change, various positive change, and no doubt it is the positive result of the green revolution. But one thing is that you may see that if we are discussing about the modern method of farming, then it is also very important to know that no doubt when this use or these elements or this method was used in the modern method of farming, no doubt it brought a type of environment adversely. It affected the environment adversely, which I will discuss to you later in this video, how the modern method of farming affected our environment adversely. After that, you may see very well, now I am going to discuss about the traditional method of farming. So when there was no advent of or when there was no introduction of modern method of farming, the Indian agriculture was based on traditional method of farming. What is the traditional method of farming? It is very essential to know this one also. First of all, you may see that the Indian farmers were habituated to plow the field row by row, and it is known as the manual ploughing, where the ploughing was not based on tractor or any machine. The second very important thing is that it was very time consuming, means the productivity of agriculture was time consuming, and After them, why time consuming? Why? Because there was no use of electric tube well, there was no use of HYV seeds, and there was no use of agricultural tools and machine. Now see the third very important point, as I have discussed to you in the modern method of farming. In the modern method of farming, there was a use of what? The HYV seeds. But now here we find the use of traditional seeds. So such type of traditional seeds is good, but the result of production of traditional seed is minimum and more time consuming in the comparison of HYV seeds. You know very well that in modern method of farming there was a use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides, but in the traditional method of farming the farmers were habituated to use the manure and other compost for the soil fertility. After that, you may see very well that earlier or in the traditional method of farming, the irrigation was mainly based on hand watering, and as well as the irrigation was also based on monsoon or rain. But you may see that in the modern method of farming, the irrigation is based on electric tube well. Student, I want to tell you that where the in the modern method of farming, it affected the environment adversely, but traditional method of farming is based on, or it is the environment friendly. Why? Because especially or mainly the traditional method of farming is based on the organic farming, where we find less use of or no use of chemical fertilizer and maximum use of natural resources. But in the modern method of farming, we find the maximum or overuse of chemical fertilizer, the overuse of natural resource, and that is why it brought or it affected the environment adversely. So it was the bad effect of modern method of farming, and which brought by the Green Revolution, and it was brought by the Green Revolution, and in traditional method of farming it is environment friendly. So there are the important features of modern method of farming and traditional method of farming. I hope you understood the distinguish between modern method of farming and traditional method of farming. Now it is very important to know that no doubt the Green Revolution which came in India in late 1960s, it brought the various important change, various positive change in the agriculture. But it brought some ill effects also. What are the ill effects which I am going to discuss to you? First of all, you may see that Green Revolution no doubt is very important to fulfill the food requirement of India, but it brought a type of overuse of natural resource, overuse of land, and overuse of water. So when there will be use of HYV seed, then there will be maximum need of water, and when there is a use of maximum fertility or maximum agricultural crop, then what will happen? The land will be used more and more, and it will bring or it will give a type of negative effect for what? For the water table as well as for the soil fertility of land. After that, you may see that it brought loss of soil fertility. Why? Why? Because when we use the maximum chemical fertilizer, it will barren the land, and it brought the land or it brought the soil fertility. What? The loss of soil fertility. And it was also told to you that HYV seeds and the use of electric tube well for the irrigation brought the maximum use of water, and it minimizes the table of underground water. So it also increase or it also brought the water table low. After then, see the last one, it polluted the groundwater. How it is possible? When we use the maximum chemical fertilizer, when we use the maximum insecticide and pesticide, no doubt this fertilizer or chemical fertilizer and pesticides will go from the water and from the soil, and it will go to underground, and it will pollute the water. So these all are the ill effects of the Green Revolution, and it affected the environment adversely. But when we see in gross the use of Green Revolution, no doubt it is very important for the Indian, for the India, as well as it is also very important to minimizes or to fulfill the food requirement of India. So when in the late 1960s, when the Green Revolution came in India, it brought various positive change. But very well, when there will be positive change, then there will be negative effect, which I have discussed to you in this particular video. I hope you understood the differences between modern method of farming and traditional method of farming, as well as the ill effect of Green Revolution. I will send video related to, or I will send answer related to this particular video, and I hope you understood this video. Thank you very much.